Bafana e tshamekile motshameko o itumedisang ka la matlhatso fa e ne setlakaka Sierra Leone ka dino di le 4-0. E ne le phenyo ya bone ya ntlha morago ga go latlhegelwa kgatlhanong le Morocco, France le Ghana. Phenyo e tsenya batshameki mo kgatelelong jaaka ba tlile go nkgisana magwafa le Botswana.
I put some pressure on the shoulders of the players on Saturday by saying winning is not everything, it's the thing. So that meant that I wanted to win that game. So now for the boys tomorrow, it will be the same. So don't spoil what we build up already Saturday. So it's up to them now to make a good performance and to win that game also.
It's not going to be easy because obviously we're just coming back from a 4-0 win, which is something that it was great for ourselves. We've raised the bar. So now for us it's just to maintain that and make sure that we keep on focusing on improving the team.
Le fa Botswana le kwa tlase fa e bapisiwa le Sierra Leone, go bontsha fa e tlile go nna motshameko o popota.
When you analyze the opponent and you saw Sierra Leone playing Saturday, I think it's logic that we have to expect a tougher game tomorrow. First of all, it's Botswana. I think Botswana, South Africa is always something special. So the guys will be very motivated to do well against us. And also, what I saw from Botswana in their games, they are better than the team of Sierra Leone Saturday.
Palo ya balatedi ne swabisa ka la matlhatso mme tsholofelo ke gore phenyo entle e tla busetsa balatedi kwa stadiumong.
You can't ask the people to come and see a team who is not playing good, who lose games. This is something that will come automatically. So and it's up to us now to win those supporters by winning.
Gape Bruce a re batshameki ba ba sa tshamekang ka la matlhatso ba tla newa tšhono. Motshameko o tlile go simolola ka ura ya 6 maitsiboa.